Hello, Sarah here. After a disastrous first pour, I hope I'm more well prepared this time. I got a plastic sheet to catch the paints, popsicle sticks and cups ready. I have my torch too, and my pour colors. I'm using phthalocyanine green. I hope I got it right. Phthalocyanine green, yeah, I think I got it right. And quinacridone magenta as my base color, and titanium white too. Here are my pour colors. I've stated on the screen, and I'll be mixing in with yellow too. So let's get started. For those who know me, I always like to estimate with my eyes, but if you want precise measurements, you can always use a mini weighing scale. The ratio of water to paint is about 45 to 55% to paint, so that's almost half the amount of water to paint. So if we have like just say 20 grams of paint, so you use about probably about 16 grams of water. So I have some white here, titanium white. I'm just gonna put it in a big cup here. This is actually one of my favorite color, which is quinacridone magenta. So I'm just gonna put some inside here. There we go. Look at the color, isn't it beautiful? Oh, right. Okay, I'll go with green today just to make things more unique. So this is the green. Difficult name that is. Right, there we go. Into the cup. See, the mess has just started. All right, I'm just gonna put this all to the sides. Okay, cup. Why is this so short? I have bigger ones. Never mind. I'm using distilled water, so distilled water goes into this cup first before pouring to others. Right, that should be enough. The paint cannot be too watery nor too thick, so it has to be just at the right consistency, and the paint must coat the popsicle sticks without being too translucent. I'm gonna start my pour now. Here we go! We need to torch it to get all the air bubbles out. So beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing, isn't it?